Welcome to my YouTube channel. Our tutorial today is on the fastest way to update Windows. Step number 1 is to confirm that Windows has not been activated. We can see sign number 1, activate Windows. So the other way to confirm that Windows has not been updated is go to your Windows search bar, type Windows update settings, then you will be able to click it. We'll go to activation. Once you go to activation, you can see Windows is not updated. So through that, the second step will come here and switch off antivirus. Once we switch off antivirus, we'll see the existing existing antiviruses. We can see virus direct protection. So we'll come here and see manage settings. Once you come to manage settings, real-time protection, we put it off. Once we put it off, we are good to go. So the other thing that we'll be doing will come, the step number 3 will come and switch Windows Defender Firewall. So switching Windows Defender Firewall will come here, turn Windows Defender on and off. We'll be able to turn it off. That is the way to turn it off. And once we turn it off, we'll be able to close it. So the other thing that we'll be doing will come to our Chrome browser. Once we come to our Chrome browser, we'll be able to type Windows 10 activate text. Once we will come to the first one, get ms guidelines.com, Windows 10 activator key. We'll be able to copy this text. Once we copy it, we'll come here and save it in a notepad. We'll be able to search for a notepad. Then we'll be able to solve it. We'll be able to solve it here. Then the other thing that we'll be able to save in Notepad as Windows. We come and solve it in the desktop. Once you save it in the desktop, give it a name called activate.bat. Once we give it activate.bat, we'll be able to solve it. It tells us, do you want to replace the existing one? We say yes. So what happens after you've saved that activator text in your notepad? You'll come here and you'll be able to come to your initial desktop. Then we'll see that the activate BAT has been saved here. We'll come and say run as administrator. Once we say run administrator, it will ask us for permission. We'll give the command prompt a permission. Once we give command prompt a position, it will be able to process. Once it is able to process, give it some time until it is able to complete. Ensure you restart your laptop. Once you restart your laptop and restore back your Windows. Once you are able to restore back your Windows Defender, you'll be good to go. We'll come here and after some time confirm that now we can see that Windows is activated in your organization as service, which makes our tutorial successful. Ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Lifestyle Tutorials, is where you'll be able to get all tutorials one-on-one.